Hello, everybody. Join me to a virtual journey to Italy's stunning Amalfi Coast. We'll explore 10 incredible spots, each a sparkling gem in this coastal jewellery box. Think of it as a game. Every place has its own unique story, colour and charm. From dazzling towns to secret coves, we'll see, taste and experience the pure joy of this coastline. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's dive into the sun-drenched roads and blue waters of the Amalfi Coast. By the end, you'll be checking flights. I guarantee it. Ready? Let's go. First up, Positano, the Amalfi Coast's cover model. Picture pastel houses, cascading down cliffs, narrow lanes buzzing with energy, and bougainvillea everywhere. The air is a mix of sea, flowers, and always lemons. Fashion is everywhere. Breezy linen, handmade sandals, and shops galore. After shopping, head to Spiaggia Grande, rent a lounge chair, and soak in the iconic view. Hungry? Enjoy fresh seafood pasta and crisp white wine as the sun sets. Positano is a feast for the senses. Colourful, glamorous and unforgettable. It's where you go to feel alive and celebrate beauty. No wonder it's on every postcard. What a way to start our journey. Next, Amalfi, the heart of the coast and its namesake. The main square, Piazza del Duomo, pulses with history and life. Climb the grand steps to the Amalfi Cathedral, a stunning blend of Arab, Norman and Byzantine styles. Amalfi is lemon central, home to the famous sfusato Amalfitano lemons. Try lemon treats like Delizia al limone and don't miss the local limoncello. Take a boat tour from the harbour for a new perspective on the cliffside towns. Amalfi is a blend of grand history and simple pleasures. It's welcoming, vibrant and absolutely essential to the coast's story. I love it here. Now, let's rise above the sea to Ravello, the balcony of the coast. Perched high on a clifftop, Ravello offers breathtaking views that have inspired artists for centuries. Visit Villa Ruffolo's lush gardens, where music fills the air during the summer festival. Stroll to Villa Cimbrone and stand on the Terrace of Infinity, gazing out at endless blue. Ravello is quieter and more refined than its neighbours. A place for coffee in the piazza, browsing art galleries and soaking in tranquility. The town whispers elegance and invites you to slow down. It's sophisticated, romantic and perfect for dreamers. Here you breathe, reflect and let the beauty wash over you. Ravello is the soul-stirring balcony of the Amalfi Coast. It's a place for perspective and peace. The views alone are worth the journey. Come for the gardens, stay for the serenity. Just spectacular. Next, we find peace in Praiano, the hidden artist's retreat. Nestled between Positano and Amalfi, Praiano is a haven for those seeking authenticity and quiet beauty. Wander lanes dotted with ceramic workshops and colourful shrines. The sunsets here are legendary, best enjoyed with an Aperol spritz on a cliffside terrace. Praiano's beaches are secluded coves like Marina di Praia and sun-soaked Gavitella. It's the introvert of the coast, perfect for reading, chatting with local artists and recharging. No crowds, just genuine coastal life. Praiano is a dreamer's escape and a well-kept secret. Here you connect with the real rhythm of the coast. Pure, simple magic. Now discover Atrani, the Amalfi Coast's secret pocket. Italy's smallest town, it's just steps from Amalfi, but feels worlds away. The tiny main square is like a private courtyard, surrounded by simple cafes and local life. Lose yourself in whitewashed alleys and hidden staircases. Getting lost is the point. The small, calm beach is a local favorite, perfect for a relaxed swim. Atrani is authentic, quiet, and deeply genuine. It's a forgotten treasure tucked into the coastline. Sometimes the best things come in small packages. Ready for something wild? Welcome to Furore, the fjord of the Mediterranean. It's a dramatic gorge with a tiny beach hidden at the bottom, spanned by a towering bridge. Most people drive over without realizing the magic below. Descend the winding stairs for jaw-dropping views and crystal-clear water. The cliffs provide cool shade, making it a perfect summer refuge. Furore hosts the Mediterranean Cup High Diving Championship. Watch daredevils leap from the bridge. It's a photographer's dream and a geological marvel. Not a lounging spot, but a place to be amazed. Furore is pure drama, a secret world carved into the coast. You have to see it to believe it. Hungry? Let's visit Minori, the culinary capital of the Amalfi Coast. This town is famous for its pasta and pastries. Try undunderi, an ancient gnocchi, and visit Salderizo, the legendary pastry shop. Indulge in ricotta peri cake or the famous delizia al limone. The cafe is a dessert lover's paradise. Sit, sip coffee, and savor the artistry. Minori's food is pure joy, and the town itself is laid back and welcoming. Explore the beachfront or the ruins of a Roman villa. But honestly, you come here to eat. Minori is a pilgrimage for foodies. Experience the culture through your taste buds. Delicious memories await. Time to relax in Maiori, the beach blanket of the Amalfi Coast. It boasts the region's longest, sandiest beach, perfect for families and classic beach days. Spread out, build sand castles, or stroll the wide promenade lined with cafes and gelaterias. The town feels like a true Italian seaside resort, modern and easy to navigate. Maiori is all about simple joys, sun, sea, and stress-free fun. It's a comfortable base for exploring the coast. Sometimes you just need a day to unwind by the waves. Mission accomplished, Maiori. Next, Vietri sul Mare, the ceramic canvas of the coast. This town is the heart of the region's vibrant pottery tradition. Everywhere you look, colourful tiles, shop signs, and even the church dome. Browse endless ceramic shops for unique souvenirs, from plates to painted tables. Watch artisans at work in open studios and appreciate the craft up close. Vietri is a living gallery, a celebration of colour and tradition. It's the perfect gateway to the Amalfi Coast's joyful spirit. Take home a piece of its artistry. Our final stop, Sorrento, the gateway to the Amalfi Coast. Perched above the Bay of Naples, Sorrento is lively, bustling, and the perfect starting point for adventures. The heart is Piazza Tasso, surrounded by shops, cafes, and lemon-scented streets. Visit lemon groves, sample legendary limoncello, and cool off with lemon gelato. Don't miss the Villa Comunale Park for stunning views and romantic sunsets. From here, ferries depart for Capri and Naples. Sorrento blends convenience with charm, city energy, seaside soul. It's the grand welcome and fond farewell to this magical region. What a place! And there you have it, 10 sparkling gems of the Amalfi Coast. I hope this journey inspired you to add these places to your travel dreams. Which spot was your favourite? Share your stories in the comments. Thanks for joining me. don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, stay curious, stay hungry, and keep exploring. Ciao!